All right, guys, we've got the Salelo electric groin hair VIP grooming kit. So this is for your balls. And okay, first off, I want to say, okay, there's a couple things I already want to say. So in opening this is a very nice case. This case is designed specifically for this unit. It's got a mold for it. And what I've known, so I've checked out and reviewed over 820 products at this point. And there's something I always find true when a company spends time and energy on a very nice case and packaging. 9.9 times out of 10, the product is ace. So the first thing I notice is this molding is designed specifically for this. This has a very nice, it sits in your hand, it's substantial, but it's also lightweight. It's got a matte black finish, and it's nice and grippy. Now, this is something you could use in the shower because it's waterproof, or you could use it dry as well. It's got a 1.5 millimeter guard on there, but it's super easy to take it off. Basically, you just have two clips on the side that this goes on and would clip back on. So this is very safe. The thing about these is you don't want to nick yourself in these sensitive groin areas. And this actually has, they actually design, it's a ceramic blade and it's curved at the end, which makes it almost impossible for you to actually get nicked by it. And when you're dealing with like, you know, pubic hair, groin hair trimmers, like, dude, you don't want to get nicked because that'll hurt. So I think having a company that spent time and energy on that's super important. Now, another thing I want to say is, first of all, this is waterproof, so you can just wash it and stuff too, under the sink and all that. But we turn it on, you can hear it's on, but if I press it once more, there's actually a flashlight. So if you need a little more guidance down there while you're doing your work, you've got that covered. Another cool aspect, it comes with a charging stand, which I think is super important. You know, to basically, like, this kind of looks nice, and you always want it out so you're able to use it in your bathroom. I think this does the trick for that. And then here's the charging cable. So all this would do is just USB-C in the back, like that. And then this can charge, let's see. Actually, I think we might have something more. Here we go. So you can either plug it straight into like a USB outlet, or they provide you with a USB adapter so you could plug this straight into the outlet in your wall. I think that's super nice. So it doesn't just come with a cord, it comes with the charger, but it also comes with the adapter. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 different attachments. You've got 1.5 millimeter, you've got 3 millimeter, and then you've got 3 and 6 millimeter here, and then 12 and 9 millimeter on this one. So very adaptable to whatever you want to use it for. I think that's great. And then you also get a second blade that's included. So they've really thought through everything. And then lastly, I want to point out, dude, look how high quality this brush is. They're putting some energy into making sure you feel like this is a high quality grooming kit. And this could easily be like your toiletry kit. I mean, you could pack a few more things in here. Like you could pack this up and still have some soap and stuff, maybe some shaving cream or whatever in this area. I mean, dude, this is a very high quality, nice kit for your balls. I think you should get it.